Okay, we're at Glencar, which is sort of halfway between halfway on our trip. So up there's a walk that'll take you up to the waterfall. If you come round, you'll see we'll have a lovely lake over here. And well, not a great day, but I think I'll get the flip up and give you a bit of a look round, and we'll get a look from there. As you can see, the lake is quite immense. Get to see the waterfalls in behind trees, so we'll bring a little flip back. Right, this is the entrance of Glencar Waterfall, so we're on our way. I can't see. That's not a far hike. That's actually just quite a nice little hike up. The river just down to our left. The river running down. It is. Makes some noise, doesn't it? Now we're getting to the water. Over the little bridge.
Got my hair over.
Right, we're just turning around and we'll see the waterfall here. That's quite dramatic, the waterfall. Okay, will you go in front? The little Neo was just hovering above my wife's head there, and I was giving her a bit of a shock. So there you go, that's Glencar Waterfall behind us there, and the little Neo did this lovely job of following me up here, and really quite a little trooper. But now we'll head home and I'll give you the update of what I thought of the whole place, but that's been really nice, but it's a nice little trip to the water.